Okay, we have another little project we're working on. Get you caught up to date. We have these Razor SX500 electric little motorcycles, and we've been doing some modifications to them, and they actually worked out pretty good, so we will show you what we're doing. This particular setup I'll show you on this machine over here, and then we'll come back to this one. So this one over here, this one's the SX500, and this one over here is the MX650, and we're now making mods to these ones. Here's two more of the 650s as well, and we're making modifications to those. You can see on this original setup here that in this particular Razor scooter, or motorcycle I guess you could say, this is a setup for the 36. It's a standard that comes with the motorcycle itself, and we're converting it over to a 48 volt system. And in the process of doing a 48 volt system, we're also adding much bigger battery to it. You can see that there's 3 of these batteries that are put together to get your 36 volt system, and we're going to pull those batteries out, and we're adding a polylithium battery right here. You can see how big that one is compared to the 3 smaller ones. We're going to add this one big battery in there. This bigger battery should give it a much longer run time, and they're saying that it increases it from 30 minutes to over an hour of run time, plus it's faster. We can't tell you exactly as far as time length. We'll try to post that a little bit later as to how long it's going to last, but doing the conversion, this one is complete over here, the little 500. As you can see down here, we had to do our own little custom mount. I'll show you why here in a second, but we had to add these little custom mounts to get it to work. The reason being is because this motor is bigger than the one that's installed, so you have to kind of do some workarounds to make it work. I'll show you over on this side as well what we did. Not a whole lot of this is posted on the internet, but there seems to be a lot of people wanting to do this, so we just welded an extra bar in here and bolted it on there. This bar here actually comes down off the bottom. See if I can get in there. It comes down off the bottom and then back up around to account for the chain tensioner that is right here. Bigger motor does go a little faster. We clocked these ones at about 15 miles an hour, and then after the conversion with the new batteries and the new motor, it was 23 miles an hour. So much faster, much quicker, much bigger pickup on the pace.